Good evening everyone. Today is my 91st day of improving my public speaking skills. Today is a great day. It's really a great day to start and end my birthday because unexpectedly my group of friends surprised me earlier. First in the morning they surprised me with these few cringe, cute and genuine greetings, and I just feel so happy. And they also my day me to their Facebook account just to greet me. And honestly, I just want to keep it low key the day of my birth. But then since they already posted my pictures, my decent pictures, and they have come to also mention my name, then and because of it, it resulted to my other classmate and professor to know about it. But even though it's like that, I still feel happy. I feel happy to the part that when we when they surprised me with a video greeting, they actually put an effort to it, to the point that it's really cringe, especially the background music. It was mixed with budots and this sad piano instrument, as well as a few a few of our memories through pictures. I honestly, my reaction earlier was, honestly, I just want to laugh to the videos that they make, especially to the pictures that they took to insert in that particular video. And yeah, but the most heartwarming part is when they actually greet me once again through videos. I honestly didn't expect it, and I feel heartwarming. I feel happy about it. They also put an effort to 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 all of us. We also put an effort to all of us to have a simple celebration. One of my friends cooked this particular spaghetti. This spaghetti was only be brought in the sari-sari store. It was just a small amount of spaghetti that is just good for 3 to 4 people, but then we just share it to the rest of the group. Although we're not complete, but I still feel happy. I honestly kind of embarrassed towards it because even though as what I have mentioned before, I have mentioned that I never really like it to actually celebrate my birthday. But then, since they put an effort towards it, I feel guilty to the part that I cannot fully provide for our food to be shared because I don't have the capability and money to do it. But if ever I get the chance and opportunity, I will literally treat them. But I'm just so thankful that even though I cannot fully provide for the foods in our simple celebration in my on my own birthday, they what do we call this? You know, when you will going to buy something and then the bill will be split up. That's what we did earlier. And since it was split up, the cost become more cheaper or smaller, and I kind of actually afford it. I appreciate their effort, even though I needed to go much more earlier, much more earlier. I don't know, but yeah, this is a very memorable day, a heartwarming day. I appreciate their effort and just feel happy. I didn't know that I'm quite, what do we call this? I'm quite foreign for these kind of feelings, but I just feel happy. And congratulations to me. That's all for today, and after that, we have this training, and it was really a vigorous training, but it can be handable. I mean bearable, to the point that our our legs are shaking just to perform those steps and training, eh, especially the warm up. The warm up, the warm up are quite similar to the actual exercise, and some of us are really having a hard time, especially those, even though those people will have a previous experience and then they actually joined in after 2 years. They found it hard to perform it much more effectively. But earlier for me, since I've been during when I'm performing the warm up, it becomes much more easier for me to curl up. Maybe it was because even though I'm not being consistent with it, I have trained my body to do it, and it was much more easier for me to perform them. The hardest challenge for me right now is how to kick properly. I thought that it will be easy, that you're just kicking and kicking, but the challenge was if you're aiming something and then you have to point it, you have to actually kick it. That was the hardest part, because once you kick something, you have to put an impact or power towards it to be to, to, to be the kick be much more effective. And yeah, I was always currently disappointed towards it. I thought I have improved, but then earlier I have come to realize that I am not. I'm just, but even though it's like that, I'm happy to the small improvements towards to my physique. And even though it was a challenge to the point that I almost collapsed to the vigorous training that we have earlier, to the point that I almost collapsed, because it was continuous. We only have seconds to rest and to drink water, and then after that we have to go back and continue the training, the training. But it was actually a healing, although during the process it was the hardest part. The hardest part was during the process, when you are actually feeling it, when you feel that your body is getting tired. It was quite unbearable. But if you're going to continuously do it, just like what we have earlier, we took a 5 lap for per step. We took a 5 lap per step, meaning every step we have to do it 5 times. And the beginning was the hardest part, but when we continue to do it up to the 4 to 5 part, it become much more easier to do it. Although yes, we are tired, but our body are much more getting adapted towards it. We are trained towards to our limit, and it was not easy. It was never been easy, but it was worth it. And that is something I just want to keep in mind. It was worth it. It's not easy, but it was worth it. And tomorrow we have another training. Hopefully it won't rain, just like what happened today, because we have discontinued our pre-planned activity, wherein we have to trip to the Jerusalem because of the rain, because of the heavy rain. But tomorrow maybe we will we will once continue it if the weather has been favored towards us. Hopefully, hopefully. Because even though I'm still sloppy as it is, I actually want to train myself to the limit. Although yes, I know it was the hardest part, and sometimes it was quite unbearable to the point that I just want to lay down. I just want to collapse and lay down to the floor without rest, without standing. But then once I see the result, once I see the improvements, I can say that it was worth it. It was worth the effort. It was worth the endurance, everything. That's all for my personal life. I was kind of being yappy today about it. But that's the purpose of it. And what we're going to talk about today is when we are going to aim for something like towards our goal, we shouldn't look or we shouldn't actually overthink about the difficulties or challenges that we are potentially going through if ever we pursue that goal. We have to focus more on how much it was worth it for us, how worth it is. And if you're looking in the other side, if you're focusing on the other side, in the benefit side, then it will be much more easier for you to get through to the hardship and difficulties during the process of reaching your goals. And once you reach the end of it, you will realize that all of it was definitely worth it. It was always worth it. There's no goal that are easy. Life is full of challenges and difficulties. But even though it was like that, it is the reason that it shaped us, either for better or for worse, depending on the mindset, depending on the determination, motivation, perspective of the person. It's highly dependent on the person. That's why, if for myself, in the application for my experience, if you're aiming for something much more greater, that you know that is greater, that is kind of recognizable. For example, to me, I want to improve my public speaking skills. And being able to actually improve your public speaking skills, I need time, effort, consistency, knowledge, and also skills to actually hone myself to be a public speaker. And look at me now, even though yes, everything was not perfect, I sometimes, or most of the times, I was not in the right time frame that I set for myself to video. But then I still continue to do it. No matter how long or short it is, I just continue and continue and continue. Every day was not perfect. There was a time I thought the video stopped. There was a time that I'm actually motivated, but there was also a time that I'm not. But I still continue. Consistency is the key of everything. If you're actually willing to do it, it is the willingness of the person to reach the end of their dreams. That's all for today. Michaela, continue to be more consistent towards your videos. No matter how you feel, please prioritize this goal because you know how much it helps you in many other ways. You see the glimpse of the result, and you know it's always gonna be worth it. And always finish what you start. That's all. Thank you.